Hello again. Now that we've finished our writing prompt, and I know that was really hard, and give yourself a nice pat on the backs. I know the Zazus did a great job and the Simbas did a great job. I'm sure the Pumbas were leaders. I can't wait to read your responses. But now we're going to do another worksheet, and it has two sides. Make sure you are on the editing task practice side that has the story with the tigers. We are going to do one side at a time. So the first thing you need to do is read the tiger story. You will notice there are some words underlined. You are going to have to answer questions and fix the verb tense. So again, look at this. Help the tiger blend in with its surroundings. Looking, cut down, powerful, will use, believe. You have to answer these questions and fix it. And I'm going to give you a hint. All of them have a change. All of them have a change. Once you finish this page, stop. If you finish this page before the timer is up, just do Lexia. Get out your computers and do Lexia. My email is written on the board. Stephanie_J_Romano@mcps.org, so you can do and get logged on to Lexia. All right, have fun. Read the story. Don't be afraid to read it out loud. I know the Zazus and the Rafikis are going to do a great job on this.